dog and died. That was our granddaddy dog, Bojo. He looked like an old granddaddy dog.
Is that a sheep?
Huh?
Is that a sheep?
Bojo died not 6 months ago. Oh, not even 6 months ago.
What was in Port St. Lucie?
Bojo died after we left Port St. Lucie.
No, we was in Port St. Lucie. You said that Bojo had died.
Oh yeah, because before we left, you did want to go back there. So it's been about a year now.
Yep, it was a year. R.I.P. Mr. Reed.
What's the damn dog name? Bojo Reed. That's what their damn internet thing was.
We just heard some little scary sound. And I just wanted to show you guys. It sounds like freaking sheep. So we're just gonna keep walking. I'm gonna record. I'm gonna watch my YouTube. They don't know how to record. And I'm gonna turn that because I don't touch these big brownies pieces. Why am I shaking the camera? This is my shadow. I'm still shadow. What in the world is happening to the camera? What the heck? Nah, I'm trying to scare you guys. Don't go outside walking by yourself because you don't know. It's something coming like a siren head or something. But this is crazy man house. That means the house should be right here. Except the crazy man house, the crazy man house, right there. That means the house should be right there. Like literally right across the street, right? Or yeah, it's across the street. Here comes, right? I mean, I don't see a car. No, it wasn't. It was on that side. That's the crazy man house, and that's his house. And if you ask me why I'm saying crazy man, because earlier this man was freaking yelling, and then every time like something happened, he always freaking paying attention. He won't mind his business. And like earlier today, he was yelling on the phone with somebody. I'm like, why the heck this man is yelling? Like, literally, everybody in the neighborhood can hear him. Like, people down there. Hey, literally everyone. If someone here was here, or whatever someone head is,